What's up everyone? Welcome to today's video. I have another haul from Northwood Distributing that I haven't even opened yet. When I do fragrance oil hauls, I really do like to do like a first impressions, like not even open the box until I get to film it. I'm not always able to wait just because I need to check the orders and, you know, make sure everything's good to go. So I was excited to be able to film it the same day. Okay, so I have my slip here. I love Northwood, I'm telling you. Out of the different fragrance places that I've tried, this one I think is my favorite behind Brambleberry. But I just like this one a little bit more because they have, you know, more options. So this time, as a little swag, they sent this cute little notepad. Look how cute. I always use tiny little stickies, so I'm excited for that. And this is Gingerbread Crunch. It's a cute little sample in a melt, which I love. I've noticed they send that with all of the orders. Wow, that smells really good. Gingerbread Crunch, did I get this? I hope I got this. Did I get it? No, shoot. Okay, well, there might be another one of these hauls coming because that smells really good. And then a pen. Last time I got a pink pen. This time I got a blue one. And let me tell you, this is the nicest pen I've ever used in my life. And a little chocolate, my fave. Okay, the reason we're all here. I've got some 1 ounce fragrances, and then I have some 4 ounces. Let's start with the 1 ounce. I'm super hopeful for this order. I tried a new fragrance oil supplier and got the order in, and sadly it's gonna be a no for me. So, this one smells so good. This is Pumpkin Crunch Cake. I'm sorry, I know you can hear my kids playing in the background. My son's playing dinosaurs and they just, you know, they all have to fight. Pumpkin Crunch Cake, a definite yes for me. I really like that one. It is very like heavy clove. I want to say that's clove that I'm smelling. It is heavy clove, but I do like that personally. This one is Pacific Woods, which had a very interesting description, so I'm excited to smell it. Oh, wow. This smells so good. It smells very like winter, like walking through the woods in winter. That's what that smells like. And I'm here for it. I really like that. That's a good one. If you're looking for like a non-Christmas but winter vibe, that's it. Holiday Cookie Tray. This one had excellent reviews. I have high hopes. I haven't been disappointed yet. This smells really good. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be, but I do really like it. Okay, that was a good one. I'm excited to see the holiday. I'm excited to see Holiday Cookie Tray in some wax. All right, this one is Snowy Mountain Cottage. My sidekick's here.
Hi, I help in videos.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That smells really good.
It's like a lavender-ish.
I don't really smell lavender, but it definitely smells good. It has like a little, like a light cherry, autumn magic. I was going for a mix of like fall and winter smells. This one's nice.
Yeah, it's like I smell like autumn. Like it smells like it's like fresh autumn from leaves. It smells like autumn leaves.
Yeah. This one smells good. It's not my favorite that I've smelled so far, but it is nice. Cranberry Macaron. This one, the picture gets me every single time. And finally, I decided to order it. All right, here we go. Wow. That one smells really, really good. I've got a good idea for this one. Harvest Moon.
Interesting.
Mmm.
Ooh.
This one gives me like
A calm feeling.
I like that calm feeling. This is a little plummy. Maybe some black cherry in there somewhere. That one smells pretty good. I like that one. That would be a good smell for like a house. Northwoods. Okay, so this one had a very interesting picture, and I feel like maybe it's named, I don't know, is it named after Northwood because it's Northwood Candle Supply? I don't know. Possibly. We'll see. Is it like the brand's signature fragrance? Let's find out.
What was that one we used last? That last one we used. What was it called?
Ooh.
What was that last one we used? That last one called?
Harvest Moon.
Yeah, that would probably be good.
smells
Since you
very
said
good.
it's a good house smell, we could make candles.
Ooh, good idea.
Yeah, it's like it's high.
It's like a little
Northwood.
spicy.
Yeah, like
Oh.
woods.
It does smell like
That's how
this.
the wood smells. It smells like spicy, but then
All right, coconut pumpkin latte. You think you're gonna like this one? Yeah. All right, you go first.
that smells nice.
Ooh, that does smell nice. I like how it's like it smells pumpkiny, but also you can smell the latte part. That one's nice. I like that one. All right, we got two more. We have Home Sweet Home. Always looking for a good general house fragrance, so hopefully this will be it.
It smells like I just got home from a vacation.
The smell of the house that no one's been in for a week. That one's nice. It's not exactly what I expected. I expected it to be a little bit more warm, but the scent is nice still. Beneath the Stars. Wow.
Whoa, that smells fruity.
It does smell pretty. So out of the ones that we smelled, I think my top one, Beneath the Stars, is going to be at the top. I also think, let me try this one again. I think it's this one, Cranberry Macaron. Yeah, that one smells so good. You like that one? What else? Snowy Mountain Cottage was nice. Northwoods was nice. First one I'm looking for. I think it was this one, the Pacific Woods. Let me see. Yeah, this one, Pacific Woods. I like Pacific Woods because it's wintry but not holiday. That's what I like about that
My
one.
favorite.
What do you think your favorite was?
My first is definitely Beneath the Stars. My second favorite is Cranberry Macaron.
That's a nice one.
I love it.
All right, well, let us know down below what are your favorite products to make with any of these fragrances. Have you tried them? Do you like them? What kinds of things are you making with them? How's your fall season going so far? And what are you planning to offer special for the holiday season? Let us know all of those things down below. Oh, and I forgot to say at the beginning of this video, this is not sponsored. I did buy everything with my own money. I really enjoy this fragrance oil company. They do have other things as well, but I usually just stick with the fragrance oils from here. And yeah, I guess we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.